All right, time for us to write. Today, the directions say write and draw or draw. Write a summary of the text. So thinking back to the 5 little tadpoles, what would be a way that we could summarize or tell in one sentence what happened in that poem? When we think about our summary, we think about those important details. Do you remember underlining an important detail? Were there some changes that happened in the poem, 5 Little Tadpoles? One way we could summarize this text is by using this sentence starter or the sentence frame. The blank will be a blank. What happened? What changed? Who changed in that poem? What changed into something else? We could use this sentence structure, sentence frame to help us to write that. This sentence frame is also found on page 6 in your reading book. So you can either write in your reading book if you have it, or you can add words into this sentence frame to write the summary of the text. Or you may have more information that you want to write onto this page. It's up to you how you respond, as long as you are summarizing the text. Just as a reminder, if you're going to answer digitally, we're going to change to the edit mode. Grab that tool, and then you can write right on to the text. Don't forget to save your changes after you're done writing. Can't wait to read your summary statements.